Lower thirds are an important tool for providing names, titles, and other key information in your video. That's where templates really shine. Here are 5 of our top templates to create lower thirds in Premiere Pro. All these lower third templates are available from Envato Elements. Get access to unlimited video templates, all for one low cost. You can find links to all the items in the description. Simple yet well designed, Clean Lower Third includes 14 visually interesting title templates that don't distract from your information. The titles can appear on the left or the right of the screen, and it's easy to change the colors to match your branding. Here is the perfect Premiere Pro Lower Thirds template for those who create a lot of videos or want a large variety of styles to choose from. It's filled with 25 different title styles, so you can pick a style for every occasion. So far, we've looked at quite simple, unobtrusive lower thirds, but what if you want a pop of color? Then choose Pop Lower Thirds, a modern, fun option that lets you present your text in a colorful, vibrant style. Here's a set of classic, minimalist lower thirds, suited for any project. They're so easy to use. Just drop them into your timeline and you're ready to render. A video tutorial is included in case you get stuck. Let's finish off this list of Premiere Pro Lower Thirds templates with this versatile pack. It includes 22 title options with easy color customization and duration controls. Like the other Lower Thirds graphics featured here, it comes in high resolution and is simple to use with no plugins required. I hope you enjoyed this quick roundup of the top Lower Thirds templates for Premiere Pro. You'll find the download links for all the featured items in the description. Please like and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more roundups and tutorials. If you need to brush up on video editing in Premiere Pro, we've got a free 3-hour course you'll love.